Good morning, everyone. It's dirty. Let it be. And here we are in the UTDC courier service. I was been trying to carry them anyhow, but these two boxes are too heavy, so I just called my friend so that we can carry to the home, and later on we will unbox them and see what the stuff inside. And this is too heavy. This is lighter one. Probably this one would be the... I'm waiting for my friend. When he comes, we will take them away to the home and open it. That's it. Okay. Santosh.
ఏంటి ఇంత పెద్దది ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటా ఇంత పెద్ద పార్సల్ ఏంటి ఇది
తీసిన తర్వాత చెప్తా. లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ నేను మారుస్తా మళ్ళీ
కలర్
ఉండు చూసు తీసేస్తాను ఇప్పుడే.
ఫోటోలు పంపి.
సరే. These are the two crash guards. It comes in two pieces for each side. You can have to place like this, maybe not this one, this one. Okay, my mom was just watching when I was unboxing. It's okay. Let's check this smaller box also. What does it contains? This might be having two things. One is the handlebar razor, and another one would be the beak, the front beak. Wait a minute. Here is some documentary work, I think. I don't want to damage it, so okay, it comes out. Oh god, that's the pretty good stuff. Wait a minute, I think screws for this thing, and okay, here is the handlebar razor, I think. Sorry, it's actually a suspension razor, not handlebar razor. Can you see this thing? This is the handlebar razor. These both pieces are handlebar razors, which will directly fit to the base plate, between the base plate and the two shock absorbers. Pulsar 220, not Avenger. Okay. Man, this is the front beak. I want to open it. I really appreciate Sahyadri for the packing. Really, they are so safe. And okay, man, this is the beak. Okay, I have to remove this part so that it will be fitting. It's pretty good stuff, man. I really like it. You can see all the ventilation grills. I don't know how far they work, but but they look cool. Okay, this is the front beak handlebar raisers, two handlebar raisers for the both side, and this is the complete crash guard setup. Okay, and I need some time to fit it to my bike, and first I shall have to clean these things. Nice. They are saying that after seeing the product we will try to fit it. ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಇಂಚಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಣ್ಣ, ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಡಿ Okay, I have to concentrate that there is no brake. Okay, no brakes, dude. Let me show you clearly what's the changes. When it comes to here, you can look at these two portions. This is the extended handlebar which I have fitted now. This thing. Due to this thing, the raise of the suspension, this hosepipe has become shorter, so now I have to bring the Avenger 150 or 220's hosepipe so that it could be fit easily. It's pretty normal. It doesn't look like it has a modified and the height has been increased. It looks as usual. If I change the rear suspension or if I use an rear suspension risers, it would be a good, it would be a proper height for a bike. I can feel it is bit lower in the rear side and a height in the front side. So if I will change the rear suspension also, it will be something like equalized. Finally back to the home. If possible, now itself I will install the crash guard also. Good morning again. Yesterday I didn't complete the process of fitting the crash guard, and so today we'll do it. Everything is ready here. Now I have to remove this cage, this stock guard and this number plate so that we can fit the beak and crash guard at a time. Okay, finally here comes the stock crash guard. Now I have to fit the customized crash guard to the bike. So before fitting this crash guard, I have fastened these two parts. As I said before, for each side it comes in two parts. So I have fastened these two parts to become a single piece. So now I'll fit it directly to the bike. You can look at these two holes here. We have to fit them directly here, not this thing. This hole for the stock crash guard, but at this both we should fit that thing. This thing. Can look at 2 points here and here. Now we have to drill a hole and place it. Have drilled the 2 holes so that it could go directly, and I could place the screw here. That looks good, man. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, well folks, finally everything is done. I want to talk about the pricing and the cost of the complete setup which I done with my bike now. This crash guard comes for 5,000 rupees and front beak of 1500 rupees, and suspension razors. I used to talk about it as a handlebar razor. It's not a handlebar razor, it's a suspension razor. It comes for 1500 rupees. So complete setup is around 8,000, and the shipping charges comes on 800 or 850 rupees. I didn't even order this saddle cage or top rack because the bag which I am using is directly fitted, that don't need any saddle cage or etc. So far everything is done. If possible, I'll take a trial. I'll go for a ride and see how it is, or else I'll come up with a new video which may contain some interesting stuff. I completely did this setup for the sake of long tours or journey. Hope it will be a cool and safest one. I'll come up with a new cinematic video of this complete setup. I'll end this video here. So nothing much. Keep riding, ride safe, and please do like this video and subscribe to the Bikers Fury for more interesting videos. That's it.